Starting your journey with Outlier AI is relatively straightforward. Interested individuals can apply directly through the Outlier.ai website, similar to how one would apply on LinkedIn. After applying, candidates go through a screening process that includes assessments to evaluate their skills. Successful candidates are placed in a team or squad where they work with others who share their knowledge and interests, fostering a sense of community. To increase your chances of being selected, having a strong grasp of the subject area you choose to work in is crucial. While junior and senior undergraduates can apply, having a degree or higher qualifications can significantly improve your chances. Strong communication skills in English are a plus, but English proficiency isn't always mandatory as Outlier AI offers jobs in various languages. By understanding the application process and highlighting your expertise and relevant skills, you can increase your chances of becoming a part of the Outlier AI community and contribute to the advancement of artificial intelligence.